Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lanre by name, aka Lanre Enlight. And in this video, I'll be explaining to you how to compress your video to the lowest size without losing the video quality. So keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and as well subscribe to this channel.
The first thing you need to do is to download Handbrake. This is the software. Handbrake, I will be dropping the link to downloading this software in the description below. So once you're done downloading and installing Handbrake, all you need to do is to open it. Once you open it, you need to select your folder. You can select your folder or open a folder up here, then drag into this box. So you can either make use of those two. It's either you drag it or you click on open. Then you look for where your folder is. You look for your folder. Then you open your folder. So once it loads, this is the screen you're going to get. Now here, what you need to do is just leave all the settings, leave them at default. The only thing you need to change here is your video. Do not touch your audio or filter or anything. You could leave all those things the way it is. Now leave every other thing here the way it is. The only thing you need to do here is to reduce this or increase it, and do not reduce it less than 18. Do not increase it more than 20. And as you can see here, just suggested value are 18 to 20 for standard definition source. So that is it. I mostly prefer leaving it at 18 because that would give me 18 or 20, but at the same time I like leaving it at 19. Sorry, I like leaving it at 19 because it's like in between the best quality this company also refer to you or suggest to you. Once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to click on encode, start encode. Right here, you would see you could make the encoding faster, but that would disturb the editing or the compression of the video. So you just leave every other thing the way it is, then click on start encoding. Right here at the bottom, you will see something like prepare encoding process 101. Like I said, I'll be dropping the link to the software in the description. So it's done. Let me show you how much size we've reduced from this video. So let me scroll down. Yes, this is the video, and you can see it was reduced from 60.8 megabytes to 40.8 megabytes. Let me put it side by side so that you could actually see that it's two different videos, and you can see the names are the same, but you would as well observe that one is lower than one. This is 60.8 megabytes and this is 40.8 megabytes. Trust me, you can reduce it to even 10 megabytes or even lesser than 10 megabytes. But what we want here is to reduce the quality, to reduce the size and not lose the quality. Let me show you that you can as well reduce it more than it is presently. So I went through the process again and I've selected the video, and as you can see here, I have reduced the quality to 40.5. So let's start encoding again. So the encoding process has started. I will show you the percentage of size it has been reduced to. So let me pause the video and I will show you again. So again, we are done. We are done. So let me show you what the video quality looks like. So this is the third one. You can see this has been reduced to 2 megabytes. 2 megabytes. And I want to show you here. Okay, so I need to first rename because everything can carry the same. Okay. So the first one, the original video is 60.8. While we reduced it without losing the quality, it became 40.8. And presently, reducing it with very low quality to a very low quality has made it 2.26 megabytes. So let me play the videos for you so that you would see. Let me play side by side so that you would see. You can see that the video quality is very, very low. The one that we did lose the quality. And let's compare. Everything still looks the same. Please and please like the video and as well drop a comment. Thanks for watching.